Welcome guys back to the Crazy Hands channel, and today I would like to show you how to knit one more super bulky hat. And the stitch that I'm going to use I was posting before on my blog and YouTube channel, so you can check how to knit this hat in rows, and today we're going to knit this hat in rounds. For this hat I was using wool is thick and quick yarn, and I was using only half of this big skein. This is a Lion brand yarn. And for knitting needles I was using a 9mm knitting needles. You can use double pointed or circular needles if you know how to knit in magic loop. For this hat I added a fur pom-pom, and variety of fur pom-poms you can find on my site. Please check the link before, and let's get started. Using long tail cast on method, cast on 44 stitches and one more, and join to knit in round. If you are using circular needles and magic loop technique, so divide in half your stitches, pull right hand needle and join. Knit the first stitch as tight as you can, and knit one, purl one, just a simple ribbon. Knit one, purl one, knit one, purl one, knit one, purl one. And go on. Purl. Now push the left needle and pull again the right needle. Knit one, purl one. Knit one, purl one. Knit one, purl one. Knit one, purl one. And this is the end. Round number 2 will be the same as round number 1. Knit one, purl one. Here I'm going to purl through the back loop, but it doesn't matter, it's just a simple purl stitch. Go on till the marker, and after this round 6 more rounds. So I've done ribbon 8 rounds. Let's count. 8. To finish the last round I need to purl last stitch, but for the pattern I need 45 stitches instead of 44. That's why I'm going to add here one more stitch, and that's how I'm doing it. I purl through the back stitch, and then I knit through the front stitch. Like this, I added one more stitch. Now place marker and let's start knitting the first round. So knit one, then you need to knit two together next to stitches. That's why I turn the purl stitch to make this decrease look smoother. So knit two together and do not drop off the needle stitches, then knit through the first stitch and only after drop off the needle. Like this you have again two stitches. Knit one and then again I need to turn the purl stitch and I repeat, knit two together and do not drop off the needle, the stitches, then knit first stitch and only after drop them off the needle and repeat, knit one, turn, knit two together, then knit first stitch and drop, knit one, turn the purl stitch. It may happen that you don't need to purl stitch, it always depends on what method of knitting you are using. Like this, repeat, knit one, knit two together, knit first stitch till the end of round. Round number 2, here we are going to knit all stitches around. Simple knit stitches. Knit, 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 knit. And go on. Knit. And here push the left hand needle and then pull the right and go on knitting in the round. Repeat till the marker. Round number 3 will be almost the same, but we start from the knit two together stitch and knit first stitch and then knit one and repeat again, knit two together. Here, as you can see, we don't turn anything because in the previous round we had only knit stitches, there were no purl stitches. That's why knit two together, knit one, knit two together, knit first stitch, then knit one, and again knit two together, knit first stitch, drop, knit one, knit two together, knit first stitch, knit one, like this. Go on till the stitch marker. Round number 4, slip the stitch marker, will be the same as round number 2. Knit all stitches till the end. knit, 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 knit. And that's how it looks. Now go on knitting to the stitch marker and then repeat first, second, third and fourth round until the head reaches about 19 centimeters from the very edge. So knit and I will see you after. So I've done, let's count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I've done 6 repetition or 24 rounds, and my head measures now at 20 centimeters. So let's start with decreases. So we have 45 stitches. That's why we are going to use decrease method that I like to use for beanies. So knit 3 and then knit 2 together. And repeat again. Knit 3, knit 2 together. Knit 3, knit 2 together. Knit 3, and knit 2 together. Repeat till the stitch marker. The second round, knit 2 and knit 2 together. And repeat again. Knit 2 and knit 2 together. And one more time. Knit 2, knit 2 together. Repeat till the stitch marker. One more. The third round, knit 1, knit 2 together, knit 1, knit 2 together, knit 1, knit 2 together. Repeat till the stitch marker. The last round, knit 2 together all the way around. Knit 2 together, knit 2 together, knit 2 together. Repeat till the stitch marker. Till the end. Okay, I've done all decreases. Now cut the yarn and use hook or tapestry needle to thread through remaining stitches. I'm using hook number 5 millimeters. Pull through and last 2. Pull tight, and that how the crown looks. Drag the tail to the wrong side And now I'll show you how to weave this tail. So I usually go underneath those last stitches, just underneath, couple of times, underneath, and one more time. Let me show you also how to weave in cast on tail. I have other tails because I added the new ball. So for this I'm going to use a tapestry needle or yarn needle, and I just go on the wrong side underneath one loop, knit stitches like this, pull a little bit and it's invisible, and cut the yarn. Okay, let's hide everything inside. That's how the hat looks. And now you can attach pom pom. I like this color, also this one, it's a natural, and silver fox. Let me show you how to attach the pom pom. So usually each pom poms has two strings. So take one string and pull it a little bit further from the center. Like this. Pull it on the wrong side. Cannot catch it. Okay. And the second one. Okay, where are you? Okay. So on the wrong side, definitely you will not have those tails after. Simply make a knot. Just double here, pull tight, and make a knot. And then when you want to wash your hat, you take it off and wash the hat separately. Okay, great. I like this combination as well. Tails, we'll hide them later. Let me show you a little bit further. Pom pom. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel. There will be more interesting hats and scarves and other baby projects. So stay tuned and I hope to see you soon. Bye.